I tried to shoot the Chihiro video today, and yeah, this is the case that I got the same day. The message again of Chihiro is that you have to help people in need, and yeah, never be greedy, help people as much as you can, and that includes obviously animals and plants. So I think it's a message from nature, it's a message from divine. Yeah, it's gonna help me keep doing these kind of videos more. Oh, here you are. Hi guys. Sorry. Hi guys. Sorry. Hi guys. Welcome. It's like a snake. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Saisha, and today's video is about the behind the scenes video of Chihiro makeup trend. And she wrote a song by Billie Eilish, and today I am trying to do the trend, and this is the BTS video of my take on the trend. So yeah, stay with me. And also an interesting thing happened. I rescued a little kitty from the road today, and I'm going to share the heartwarming story of it, and also I'm going to feed that kitty today from my hand, and let's see if she's going to bite me or not. Yes, to know all about it, stay with me till the end of the video before I melt away in this heat and humidity. So yeah, let's get started. I'm scared. Don't bite me. I'm scared, okay? Like you, I'm also scared. I'm scared. I don't want to hurt you. I want to feed you something, sweetie. I want to feed you so that you feel better. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let's eat something and then we can go. Good. It's okay. Okay. Bus. I'm not doing anything, I'm just feeding you a little cookie. Yum. Okay, don't bite my hand. You don't like it? I don't like it. You're a cutie girl. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, sweetheart. Okay, you will go. You don't want to eat? Last time? Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Okay. And this is the baby that we rescued from the road, and it was in a really bad shape and got a heat stroke, and we took him to the vet, and the vet said you brought it just in time, because if you didn't, then this cutie pie would have not been alive today. So I tried to give him some chicken liver, but yeah, it licked, but it's not eating. It got some reactions, so yeah, we are going to take him tomorrow again, but let's hope that it's gonna be fine. I don't know, he's sleeping or shivering right now. Kuchiko? Oh, Kuchiko! So here's my makeup table and all the makeup essentials that I'm going to use for the Chihiro video. And these are my notes for the no makeup, and simple makeup look. And obviously, this is my favorite, the Tarte clay stick that I'll be using. And again, I'm going to do the eye makeup with this in mind. This is a really beautiful palette from Ingrid Cosmetics, and rest is simple. So yeah, let's start the video. This is the shirt that I'm going to be wearing, the wrinkle non-iron shirt, and this is the jewelry that I'm going to be wearing. Some of it might be, but yeah, the reason of selecting this shirt is because I think it's going to be easy for me to create different looks, keeping the same makeup and doing certain alterations in it. And if you think that this shirt looks ugly, well, in the final video you won't even notice it. And I hate to iron my clothes. One reason is this. I hate it. And why can't we just normalize wearing clothes, wearing shirts without ironing it? Why have you made life so difficult for people who are lazy like me and hate ironing the coats? So here I am wearing this shirt which is non-ironed and all wrinkled, but you don't know a thing unless and until you see the BTS video, which is this video. So yeah, I'm happy because I have avoided successfully the thing that I dislike. So yeah, good start to the video, and let's start the no makeup look, which is not a look, I just have to act. Then let's start the makeup look. The first no makeup look. No, wait. Let's start
the no makeup look and the no makeup and then the makeup and then the makeup. Oh my god, I'm gonna get I'm crazy today.
Okay, so I'm done with the first shot, and now let's do the no makeup. So first we'll take this rose gel or aloe vera gel because it's very hot and humid. That's why I'm going with a soft moisturizing cream. You can totally skip it if you want to, if the heat and humidity is bothering you so much, but it's always a good idea to use a moisturizer. What? Vitarna, KP. Sorry, she was crying. It's a she, by the way. She was crying. She's fine. So yeah, use it all over your face. It's always a good idea to use a moisturizer, aloe vera base or light moisturizer, especially if it's hot and humid and if you have acne prone sensitive skin like me. You can totally skip it if you want to, but I prefer using a moisturizer because then your skin looks really fresh and everything that you use on top of it really sits well on the skin. So yeah, now let's start with the concealer. So for the concealer, I'm using my trusted Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation as a concealer. It's one shade darker than my skin tone. Here it is. You can see here it is. So yeah, let's use it in very small quantity. Wherever there is discoloration on the face, I'm going to use very little product because it's hard and I cannot bear it. I'm literally boiling despite everything. Under the eyes. Okay, and some here. Okay. Wherever there is discoloration, just use it very little in dot forms. Yep, it's done. I don't need much. Otherwise, I'm gonna melt. So I'm gonna like set it up with a setting powder. So let's do it fast before I melt. So for the setting powder, I've actually taken the Laura Mercier setting powder and I'm going to use it all over my face. Doesn't matter how much quantity you use because it's hot and humid. But yeah, it's gonna set the concealer actually. Suck away all the sweat as well. And now I'm going to use compact and I don't need anything like moisturizer or rose water because my skin is all too dewy right now. So yeah, let's do it. But before the compact, let's use this as a lipstick or the lip stain and the blush. And if you think that it's too much, then don't worry because it's not a lipstick, it's a lip stain. It's going to melt in my lips in a couple of minutes and obviously on my cheeks as well. So yeah, let's blend it on my cheeks and then we are going to use the compact powder. So first, blend this. It's very humid, it's very hot here. Can you see how gorgeous it looks? It's going to stay this way. For the eye shade, we are going to use this shade actually. Really pretty shade, pretty pink. Let me show you again. I've just hit the pen because I use it too much. I really love it. I use it in a lot of my videos and I don't want to use a lot of makeup. Now you can see, I guess. Yeah. So I'm going to use it on my eyes. It's going to give a little bit of a natural effect and it's going to make them look really beautiful and complement the overall look. See how pretty, and see the difference between this and this eye. How pretty and how natural. And you can see that the lip stain is melted. It's all absorbing the skin. So it's going towards the no makeup look. That's the idea. That's what we are creating, aiming for. Let's do it on this eye as well. Pretty. And in normal circumstances, I would have used mascara, but because I have to transition to the makeup and the full makeup look, I'm not going to use mascara, but you can definitely use mascara at this stage if you want. And yeah, I wanted to use the compact, but I think this looks better. Yeah, I don't need to use compact. I'm going to use one more layer of this setting powder. I think it looks perfect. Perfect. And now let's do the makeup look. So for that, I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to use this purple plum color on the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, I'm going to blend it. I'm going to use it on the outer corner and on the inner side as well. It's going to look really pretty without being bold. And I'm going to use the lighter shade here and put it here. And then blend everything with a fluffy brush like so. And for the foundation, I'm going to use this Border foundation. Little dots. Really good for hot and humid weather. I'm not going to use much. That's it. And I'll blend it. Okay. Beauty blender. Mm. Oh, I have to do this eye as well. I'll do this and I'll come back. Lip liner, I'll use this. For the blush, and let's do mascara. Trusted Colossal. Don't forget this, I'm gonna remove it. What I meant to say that don't worry about this, I'm gonna remove it once it dries. So this is my version of the makeup look for the Chihiro video, and I literally have to stop myself from doing more because I have to elevate this look into the makeup look. So yeah, do let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, isn't it? So yeah, let's start with the video now. Okay, so now we are going to do makeup. I have done my eyeliner off camera because it's difficult, and now I'm going to use a peach blush as a like a contour, but I didn't want to use a brown contour because I'm already brown, so I don't want to bring harsh lines. That's why I'm using this peach one. You can hardly feel it, but it actually adds a very beautiful depth to the face. So yeah. And also because I'm running out of time, like always. Because Kalu Palu, KP, was crying and I had to give her some food. And now let's use the highlighter. Master Chrome highlighter. Maybe neat. And for the lipstick, I'm using this lipstick. Little quantity. Very beautiful. Now I'm set everything with the setting powder again. Okay, so it's like a makeup. I think I'm not glowing well. I need to use a black highlighter more on this part. And this. This looks better. Is it a makeup? Is my makeup make pink? I think I need to use some purple under my eyes as well because it's not looking good to me. A little bit of purple to make it. Yeah, such a difference. Don't cry. Please, you've just eaten. Okay, it looks better now. So this brings us to the end of our video. Do let me know how to find this video. It's the final makeup look, and yeah, let me know how you find my makeup and how you find that how I have changed from simple makeup to no makeup and makeup. Yeah, in the comment section below. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and ciao. Yummy, yummy. Eat. Okay.